What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, I'll show you how to draw Glitch Blue from Rainbow Friends. Let's begin today's lesson at the top of our page and draw two large ovals for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. Starting from the very top, it's going to come all the way down towards the bottom of our oval, and then bring that back up towards the top. Now I want to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same thing on the right. So let's line at the top of the oval, come all the way down towards the bottom, towards the same height, and then back up towards the top. Let's draw that large X in the center of the right eye. Start at the very top and draw two circles. One on the left, and we'll go over towards the right and draw that same size circle. Let's add two more circles along the bottom. And we'll go in and fill each of those circles in black. Let's connect the top left and bottom right circle with a straight angled line. And do the same thing to the other two. I just want to thicken up those two lines. So make this a little bit thicker along the bottom and top. Let's fill the left eye with a pattern of rectangles and squares. We're going to start from the top left. Just going to work our way across and then down towards the bottom. Now let's move down and draw the top edge of the mouth. We're going to start on the left side, just underneath the eye, curve the mouth coming down, and then back up. Let's add that drip coming down from the mouth. Starting from the top left, we're going to go straight down, round out the bottom, and pull that up. Let's round out the top, come down the center, round out the bottom, and just pull that back up towards the top. Let's add one more curve on the right side. Just pull that up towards the top right corner of the mouth. Let's add that same pattern inside that drip. Let's fill the inside in black, going around those rectangles. Now that we've drawn in the face, let's draw a large circle around the head. We're going to start from the left side. Just going to curve this all the way around the eye. Just pull that up and in towards the middle of the head. And then we'll work our way around the right side. And just tuck that in on the side. Let's place the crown on top of the head, shifted over towards the right. We step over, draw a straight line going up. Go all the way over towards the right side, angle this up and out. Let's pull this down and in with an angled line. And we'll pull this up and in towards the center point. Let's add two more points in between. We'll go up and then down. And now we're going to move down and draw in the left arm. Let's start underneath the head. Just going to bend the arm going out. We'll round up the elbow and then pull that in. Now leave a gap, move over towards the right, round out the arm, go up, across the top, and then bend that down towards the elbow. Let's add a drip coming down from the arm. Starting from the outside, come down, and pull that in, bend that back down, and we'll round this out and pull that up. Let's round up the top, add another drip coming down, pull this up towards the top. Let's add one more curve, coming down and up underneath the arm. Let's add that drip line across the bottom of the arm. Start from the outside, come down and up, bend this down, just pull that up towards the end of the arm. Let's add that same pattern inside that drip. And then again, we'll fill the inside in black, going around those shapes. Now before we draw on the right arm, let's move down in the center and draw on the legs. We'll start right in the middle with a curve, going up and then down. Leave a small gap in the center, go to the left side, bend the leg going out and then down, move over towards the right and do the same thing. Let's round out the bottom of the legs, start with the left, coming around. I'm just going to pull that up underneath the drip. Let's go over towards the right. We're going to do the same thing, coming around and then up the side. I'm just going to pull this up towards the side of the body, just bending that in along the top. On the right side of the body, let's bend the arm, coming down, just pull that up, we'll round out the arm, come in, and then bend that down to create a fold. And then from the side of the head, bend the arm going out and then down. Let's add some drips across the bottom of the arm. Starting from the inside, we'll come down and up, round at the top, come down, and then back up. And we'll add those drips coming down the arm. Starting from the outside, bend this in and down, round this out, coming up, round at the top, and then come down. Let's pull this back up toward the top, and then bend this in towards the side of the body. Let's add that pattern inside that drip, starting from the top. And then we'll fill the inside going around those shapes. Let's add some drips across the top left side of the head. Come down and up. And this out, come down and just pull that up towards the crown. And add that pattern along the inside. And we'll fill the areas inside going around those shapes. And then we'll finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Glitch Blue from Rainbow Friends. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You could also drop your request in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.